Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying power and signal. Plug the display into a known good outlet and power it on. Once powered, make sure the video cable is fully seated at both ends. Loose connectors cause flicker or no image. If you have an adapter or spare cable, swap it now so you can rule out a bad cord. Test with an external monitor if using a laptop to determine whether the issue is the screen or the graphics output. This narrows your next moves quickly. Once connections are confirmed, troubleshoot software. Boot into safe mode if the screen is unstable so you can access settings. Make sure resolution and refresh rate match the panel's specs. Incorrect rates cause blank or jittery displays. Update the graphics driver or roll it back if the issue began after an update, because driver mismatches affect output. Also check scaling and color profiles, and disable duplicate or extended displays briefly to see if the internal display returns to normal. For final hardware steps, power down and open the device only if you're comfortable and have proper tools. Disconnect battery first. Once inside, reseat internal ribbon cables and check the inverter or LED driver board for visible damage, because those commonly cause dim or no backlight issues. If diagnostics show panel or backlight failure, order a model-specific replacement. Before reassembly, test the display briefly. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, swap a known good cable or panel first to isolate component failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.